Unlock the secret to viral YouTube shorts with the incredible power of Nano Banana. Today, we're diving deep into how Nano Banana can revolutionize your YouTube Shorts creation process, making it faster, more engaging, and ultimately more successful. Step 1. Getting your footage in. Simply click Import Media and select the video clips you want to use for your short. Nano Banana supports all major formats, so you can bring in your raw footage effortlessly. Once your clips are loaded, it's time to edit. Nano Banana's intuitive timeline makes trimming and arranging your footage a breeze. Just drag the handles to cut out unwanted parts and position your clips in the perfect sequence for your story. Now for the magic. Nano Banana's AI-driven effects are game-changers for shorts. Explore an exciting library of intelligent tools. We can apply a professional-looking color grade with a single click, create dynamic speed ramps to add excitement, or even use AI to smoothly blur backgrounds, making your subject pop. Engagement is key for shorts, and text overlays are a powerful way to communicate your message. Nano Banana offers a wide range of customizable text options. Add headlines, calls to action, or witty captions. Play with different fonts, colors, and even subtle animations to make your text stand out and grab attention. To make your shorts instantly recognizable, consider a quick intro. Nano Banana provides easy-to-use templates and elements to create short, punchy intros that establish your brand and hook viewers from the very first second. Think eye-catching graphics and your channel name or logo. Sound is crucial. Nano Banana comes packed with a royalty-free music library. Find the perfect track that matches the vibe of your short. Simply drag and drop it onto the timeline and adjust the volume to ensure it complements, not overpowers, your visuals. Beyond the technicals, content is king for YouTube Shorts. Think short, impactful storytelling. Use strong visuals, get straight to the point, and deliver value or entertainment quickly. Nano Banana empowers you to create these high-impact pieces efficiently. And when you're ready to share your masterpiece, exporting is simple. Nano Banana offers optimized settings specifically for YouTube Shorts, ensuring your video looks its best on the platform. Just click Export, and you're good to go. Stop wishing for viral shorts and start creating them with Nano Banana. Visit our website today and transform your YouTube channel.